Hello, this is Logan from CableCreation. I'm going to use the CableCreation CC1100 USB-C fiber optic cable and Oculus Meta Quest 1 to test the transfer speed and the stream function. Connect USB-C male port to my desktop. Make the connection stable. Connect the USB-C angled male port to my Meta Quest 1. This is the Meta Quest interface. When I just connect Quest 1, here we can get the devices Quest and Touch. Scroll down the mouse and then choose USB test. Click Test Connection. Test complete. Compatible connection. Bandwidth is 1.5 gigabits per second. Connection is USB 3. Then let me just test again. The bandwidth is 1.5 gigabits per second. The connection is USB 3. Then let me just test again. Bandwidth is 1.5 gigabits per second. The connection is USB 3. Where the headset? When I just wear the headset, here I can get the notification message, allow access to data. The connected device will be able to access files on this headset. I will click allow. It pops the information. Confirm. Guardian. I will click confirm. I have entered into a virtual space. I can get the Wi-Fi Guardian and Oculus link. Then I will use the right touch to click Oculus link. Wait for about 1 minute. Here I can just see a Meta icon in front of my eyes. Let us just be impatient. I can just see a virtual space. I will just click BASE BLITZ. I can just hear the background music. When I just move my head, I can just see the surrounded environment about the virtual space. Just use the touch to play the game. So this short video, we can get that CableCreation CC1100 USB-C fiber cable for VR can support Oculus Quest 1 stream function. I can just use the cable to connect my Quest 1 to my desktop, and the transfer speed is about 1.5 gigabits per second. That's all. Thank you.